Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Without having any delay, let's get started. There are huge number of openings in Amazon as an seller support associate. Seller support associate means you need to support the users uh, who are working in an Amazon. That means who are selling the products in the representative as Amazon. You need to support those guys if they are facing any problems or issues. That means if they are unable to send an email means you need to call them and you need to uh, train them how to send an email. In that way you need to support in every problem they are facing with. And this is the job role is seller support associate. And if you guys are interested in this job, apply for this job. I will send this link in the description and click on next. You will have these many questions. You need to fill these all and you need to click on submit. Let's start from initial. It's already selected as SPS. That means this is also an work from home job. And how do you, let's see every question they are asking about. How did you find out this job? You can select from this and you can say it as others. And full name of yours and mail id, and give correct phone number, and give another alternative number, and your date of birth and your gender. After that citizenship and address, and your current city you are staying, and current state pin code of the state, and your higher qualification, and which year you are passed out. Select it, and education type. If you are having any experience, select that experience in months. And later that, are you working currently? If you yes, you can select yes. If no, you can simply select no. Notice period means they are giving some dates. You can choose it as can join immediately. If you select it means they will give high preference to you. And current employees or latest employees. If you know any employees in Amazon, you can state their name here. And current salary, if you are currently working, you can mention your salary or a last withdrawal salary. If you have worked anywhere, not now but previously, if you worked anywhere, you can mention that salary in that box. And do you have any active or current backlogs? If you are having any backlogs, select that. And are you willing to work overtime? And that if they need ask you to work more, are you ready to work? You need to select according to your availability. And are you willing to work in rotational shifts? That's your wish. If you thought as my suggestion is to keep as. Are you willing to relocate? Are you willing to be in a job that may require interacting with customers? Are you willing to interact with customers? And your PAN card number and Aadhaar card number. Have you ever been employed at Amazon? Whether you, they are asking about whether you are worked in Amazon previously or not. Are you currently working in Amazon? And upload your CV and passport size photo. After that, check this box, read all the information, and click on submit. And before clicking on submit, click here and see the privacies, and you can go back and click on submit. That's all guys. Keep watching our channel and subscribe our channel.